Hi guys, today we're going to review your hundreds chart. In our Go Math curriculum, it hit it really quickly and then we moved on. So with this happening, this is a great time for us to review our hundreds chart and how to use it and how it can help you add very quickly to 10 and how it can help you quickly subtract 10, okay? So in first grade, our hundreds chart goes to 120. The number starts at 1. It does not start with 0. And you can see how when I move my finger down, my numbers get bigger. And when I move my finger up, my numbers get smaller. So when I'm adding, I move my finger down for 10. If I'm subtracting 10, I'm going to move my finger up. Because if I go up, my numbers get smaller. If I go down, my numbers get bigger, okay? So let's practice and let's sing our 10 song. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I can count by tens, so can you. I can count by tens, let's do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Okay, so let's count by tens. And we're going to start at 5. Ready? 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115. Good job. Notice we were counting by tens and I was moving my finger down. So if I'm moving my finger down, am I adding or am I subtracting? Good. I'm adding if I'm moving down. Okay, let's subtract by tens, and let's start on the number 68. Okay, and I'm going to subtract this time. So 68, 58, 48, 38, 28, 18, 8. Okay, notice we were subtracting. My finger was going up. My numbers were getting smaller, okay? So I'm going to pick a number on my hundreds chart that you can see. And I want you to add 10 to it this time, okay? I want you to find the number 7. Add 10 to 7. Okay, the ones that are having trouble, 7 is here. I'm going to add 10. So I'm going to go down. So 7 plus 10 is, good job, 17. Okay, I'm going to pick another number. My number is 54. So I'm going to go down to my 5s. Here's my 5s. I'm going to go over 4. That helps me find 54. Okay, now this time I want you to subtract 10. 54, take away 10. 54 is here. So put your finger on the screen, and I want you to subtract 10. Think about it. Do my numbers get bigger or smaller on the way I move my finger? 54. All right, so I said to subtract 10. Boys and girls, do we go down to subtract where my number gets bigger? Or do I move my finger up where my number gets smaller? Good job. Right. 54, take away 10 is 44. Okay, my finger moved up. Let's try another one. Let's do the number, 94. Okay, so 94, I'm going to add 10. So put your finger on 94, which is right here. For those who are having trouble finding your numbers, so I taught you to go to your the first row and find your 9. So So there's my 9. So now I need to go over 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 94. All right, 94. I want you to subtract 10. And yell me the answer. Yell it loud. You got it. 94 plus 10 is 104. That's a big number. Did we say subtract? I can't remember. 94 subtract 10 is 84. I'm sorry. If I were to add, I would say 104. Okay? Let's do another one since I messed that one up. I'm sorry. Let's do 86. So here it is, 86. Now for you that's still having trouble locating your numbers on the chart, you start with your first row and you move your finger down until you find that first number. So I said 86, so I'm going to go down to my 8s. And then I'm going to go over 6, and there it is, okay? 86, I want you to subtract 10. 86. Subtract 10. So put your finger on 86 and subtract 10. Good job. If my finger was on 86 and I subtract 10, I would have moved my finger up, which makes my numbers get smaller. So 86 take away 10 is 76. Okay? Let's do one more addition problem. Let's find the number 37. Put your finger on it. Okay, for the people who are having trouble locating numbers on your hundreds chart, start on the first row and go down till you find the 30s. So there's 1, there's your 11, 20s, 30s. Okay, now I said, what did I say, 36? 37? 37. So I'm 37, so here's my 30, and I'm going to go over 7 until I find my number 7. There it is, 37. I want you to add 10 to 37. Put your finger on 37 and add 10 to it. 37, add 10. Good job. 47. 37 plus 47 is, 37 plus 10 equals 47. Okay? So right now, let's practice. I want you to do 30 plus 10. That's backwards. Oh no. I bet you that 100 starts backwards too, isn't it? We'll learn. Backwards to you? 30 plus 10. Now, when I'm adding 30 and 10, my back number stays the same when you're adding 10 because you're adding 0. So so 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, so now my front number is going to go one number higher. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. 30 plus 10 equals 40. And if you still need your number chart in your AMI packet this week, I made a copy of one for you so you have one with you. If you cannot do that mentally, think 10 or 10 plus 30, use your number chart because this is going to give you the answer, okay? So find the number 30, which is right. Oh, well, it's not on your number chart. There it is, 30. And then I'm going to add 10. I'm going to put my finger down, which is 40, okay? So with your AMI work this week, we're doing a lot of adding and subtracting 10. So use that number, that hundreds chart I gave you into your AMI packet. That will help you get the right answer. And always remember, when you're adding, your finger goes down, okay? Your numbers get bigger. When you're subtracting, you move your finger up to where the numbers are getting smaller on your numbers chart, okay? If you have any questions, parents, if you have any concerns, please contact your teacher. We are here to help you. We want your child to succeed. This is a really hard time for us. We're really sad that we worked so hard this year and we got your child where we got them, and we just don't want them to recess or like lose everything the skills that we've taught them this year. Because they're going to need these skills next year when they go to second grade, and they're going to need them when they go to third grade. So please make sure you're doing your AMI work. If you need help, please ask. We are here to help you. Our phones are on us all day, and we want to help you, and we want to help your child. If you need anything, call the office. Miss Judy is there. I love how Hector is really trying to help us, and they're very good at getting out information and being proactive in this. So we're here to help. My phone number, if you need me, is 501-764-7078. Miss McCullough's class, you're welcome to call me. Miss Chenoweth's class, you're welcome to call me. And my firsties, you're more than welcome to call me. I love you. Have a good day and behave. Be kind to each other. Bye.